You want to buy a house, but every time you start doing research, it feels like a law exam in Mandarin. But don't worry, I will show you 3 steps of how to speed up the process. And only one of them includes unsolicited advice from your parents. Option 1, ask your friends, relatives, or even siblings. Oh, especially that uncle that always tells you about his HDB during Chinese New Year. They definitely have advice, just that HDB was bought 25 years ago. Option 2, ask your real estate agent friends. Except that they are landed expert while you are looking for a resale HDB. It's just like asking your gym instructor for skincare tips. Option 3, just read the ebook. It's structured, it's updated, and it doesn't hard sell you anything. Why? Because families have used it, first-time buyers have used it, it's proven and no fluff, and all you need to do to buy the apartment and move on. So click the link down below, and then you can ask your real estate friend, especially that uncle, real questions.